Okay, now members, we are going to see how do we multiply surds. These are the surds we have. We are going to see what happens if we are asked to get a conjugate of a complex number. Now, this conjugate of a complex number is a conjugate of a surd. This is got by changing the sign in between these two. So, i.e., the conjugate of this is root a minus root b. Just change the sign, as simple as that. Now, what happens? Find the conjugate of the following. Let us see. The conjugate of this, we just change the sign in between. So, the conjugate of this will be 1 minus root 3. Then, the conjugate of this is going to be root 2 minus root 3. The conjugate of this will change the sign, so it's going to be 2 plus now 3. You just change the sign to the opposite side. The sign of this, it will be, we say, the sign in between only. So this will be negative 3. Now this one becomes a plus root 2. We don't interchange any of the signs at the start. Then this one will be negative 3. Now we change this to negative root 2. As simple as that. So that's how we get conjugates. Now, we are going to see that whenever you multiply a conjugate and its side, you get a difference of the squares. We are going to see that they are down when we come to that. Let us see how we multiply surds. Note, root a times root b. If these two are different, you can just multiply them. If these two are the same, you just get that same thing and the root. Then a scalar times a surd, you get a scalar and then a surd. It doesn't enter. It only enters if it's a surd also. Let us see this one. Simplify the following. So 2 times 2, you just open normally. 2 times 2, you get 4. 2 times this, you get negative 2 root 3. Why? Here scalar is multiplying the surd. The scalar is multiplying the surd. That's what you get. As simple as that. When we come to this, we see root 3 times root 3. So we have root a times root a, we get 3. That is very easy. So root 3 times root 3. If this and this are the same, then you get that same thing. So root 3 times root 3, we get 3. Then plus root 3 times root 2, we get root. Then root a times, they are different now. We just multiply them. 3 times 2. And this will give you 3 plus root 6. And you end there. Now, when I come to this, now this one is called I have 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to say the first bracket multiplies the second bracket. So this will be 1 times 2 plus root 2. And then this one is sign plus root 2 into, now multiply this 2 plus root 2. So what happens? You open the brackets. This times this is 2. 1 times this, root 2. Then plus. Now 2 times this. So this one is a scalar. This one is a surd. The same idea here. We get 2 root 2. Then plus root 2 and root 2. Root and root a, we get a. So we get 2. Then so that we have this plus this, we get 4. Then plus we have this as. We start now, this and this are the same. So we have 1 plus 2. We see this one is the same, this one is the same. Coefficient 1, coefficient 2. So we add 2 plus 1, we get 3 root 2. Now, when we come to this, now we have the same idea. This one multiplies the bracket and also this multiplies the bracket. So we do the same. So 3 with its sign multiplies this. So 2 plus 3 root 2. Then plus this side root 2. Now it's also multiplying this 3 root 2. So if you have multiplied that, this time this will get 6 plus 3 times the 3. The same. Now a scalar multiplies the surd, it doesn't enter. So it just multiplies this coefficient. So this times this you get 9 root 2. Then plus 2 times this you get 2 root 2. Then plus root 2 times root 2, you get a 4. So here we have 3, then times root 2 times root 2, which is a 2. So whenever we have 2, it will just get the surd multiplied with the surd. Then this coefficient is going to multiply by the result. So this will be now 6 plus 9. These ones I can add because they are the same. So 9 plus this, I get 11 root 2. I get 11 root 2. 9 plus 2, I get 11 root 2. Then plus 6, this 6 and this 6. I added these ones because they are numbers. So 6 plus 6, then plus 11 root 2. And this will give you a 12 plus 11 root 2 with ease. When I come to this, the same idea. This bracket multiplies this. We shall get now 4 multiplies this bracket. Then this 5 minus 2 root 3. It's multiplying 3 minus 3 root 2. Simple as that. So then we open brackets. 4 times this is 12 minus this times this is negative. 4 times this you get 12 root 3. So this one we just multiply the coefficient of that side. Then this time this you get minus, this time this is 6 root 3. Then minus and minus we get a positive. 2 times 3 we get a 6. Then root 3 times root 2. Sorry, this was root 3. Sorry. This was root 3. This one here. Okay. Root 3 times root 3 we get a 3. So this time this gives us a positive 6. Then root 3 times root 3 we get a 3. Be careful there, let me repeat. This times this we have the 3 times negative 3 get negative 6 root 3 because this is the scalar. Then this and this, first of all we get 6. And then root 3 times root 3 we get a 3. So that's it. So this will be now 18. 12 plus this 18. Then you see this negative and this negative shall get negative. You have negative 12 minus this, you get negative 18 and root 3. This one can't be completed because this is the surd and this is the number. We cannot add them. When I just add the number and the number, when I add this, I get 30 minus 18 root 3. Here I can't simplify. Never do this mistake. You can never add this and you can never subtract this from this because this is a surd and this is an integer. You cannot subtract. The same here, never add this plus this. That's not allowed. You just get 12 layer and your 11 root 2 because this is a surd. This is a number which is not a surd, so you cannot add them. The same here, you can't add this and this, you leave it there. That's why I'm leaving them there. Now, when I come to this which I'm interested in, you see that this one is 2 plus root 2. This is 2 minus root 2. So you see that we have a conjugate multiplying its surd. So there the easiest way is you see just the difference of the squares. How do you see that? Anyway, we are going to see that in the next lesson. How you can use the difference of the squares. For now, let us use our idea of getting this 2 into, then this one is positive root 2 into 2 minus root 2. You see that this forest is the same. This one, this bracket is multiplying this. Let us open and see. Here I'm having 4 minus 2 root 2, then plus 2 root 2. Then is it minus? This times this we get a 2. Root 2 times root 3 get a 2. So it's that these ones are having the same sign. So meaning that this and this is 2, sorry. Yeah, this is 2. So that this and this they are cancelling. 4 minus 2 we get a 2. We are going to see how you can do this answer in one step. So that's it, members. We are going to see now how we divide them. I wish you well.